Welcome to this gentle full body yoga flow. Let's get started in tabletop position. Shoulders stacked over the wrists, hips stacked over the knees. We'll take a few rounds of cat-cow. Inhale, cow, lower the belly, gaze forward. Exhale, cat, press ground away, round spine. Inhale, cow, belly lowers, shine the heart forward. Exhale, cat, round spine, shoulder blades pull apart. Inhale, cow, lower belly. Exhale, cat, belly button to spine. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Come back into a neutral tabletop position. Bring your left hand to left shoulder. Point your elbow up to the sky. Draw big circles with the elbow here. Try to make these circles as big as you can and notice all the different sensations in the shoulder moving around in its socket. Switch directions of your circle if you haven't already. Trying to draw as big of a circle as you can. And reach the arm up overhead, gaze past the fingers. In the bottom of your exhale, thread your left arm underneath the right. Your left shoulder, left temple might come down to the ground. Your palm can stay here, or option to crawl your right hand towards top of mat. Notice where your breath goes in this twist. We'll take a big inhale together. Exhale, release. Crawl your right hand back underneath the right shoulder, unthread your left arm back up towards sky. Place it back down to the ground. Right hand to right shoulder. Draw big circles with the elbow. Try to draw them as big as you can, noticing the different sensations in your shoulder, swarming up easily here. Switch directions of your circle. And bring your right hand up towards sky, gaze past the fingertips on the bottom of your exhale. Thread your right arm underneath the left. Right shoulder, right temple might come down to the ground. Option to stay here or crawl the fingertips up towards top of mat. Notice where your breath goes in this twist. Big breath, fill up. Exhale, release. Crawl your left hand back underneath your left shoulder. Unthread the needle, right arm up towards sky. Exhale, place the palm back down. Untuck your toes, bring the knees wide, sit the hips back any amount, child's pose. Forehead rests on ground, fingertips crawl towards the front of mat, and crawl your fingertips over towards the right side of the mat. Left hand plants on top of right, getting a nice side stretch in your left side body. See if you can bring your left sit bone a little closer towards the heels. Find some more space in your left side ribs. We'll take a big breath in here, fill up. Exhale, release. Crawl fingertips towards center, all the way to the left side. Your right hand plants on top of left. Getting a nice side stretch on the right side. Sit your right sit bone down, closer towards your right heel. We'll take a big breath, fill up in those right side ribs. Exhale, release. Crawl it back to center. Come back into a neutral tabletop. Shift the shoulders over the wrists. Tuck your back toes. Lift your knees off the ground. Hover here for 3, 2, 1. Downward facing dog. Send the hips back. You can keep your knees bent here as you pedal out the feet. Straighten one leg, bend the other knee. Swap it out a few times. Wide palms press into the ground to find some length through your back side body. Can you let your head hang heavy and shake out your head? Yes, no, yes, no. And when you're ready, we'll meet in some stillness in our downward facing dog. Come up onto just your tippy toes. Big inhale in. Exhale, open mouth sigh. Heels sink heavy. Once more like this. Inhale just to come up to tiptoes. Exhale, heels sink heavy. Left leg out and back behind you, three-legged dog. Exhale, step your foot in between your hands and place your right knee down to the ground. Right palm plants down, left arm reaches up overhead. Easy twist towards the left side. Left palm plants to the outside of your left foot. Bring your right knee up and off the ground. Send your left leg back behind you. Three-legged dog. Stack the hips, bend at the knee, and we'll draw big circles with our knee. Getting our hips warmed up here. Switch directions of your circle. And bring your left foot back down to the ground to meet the right. Three-legged dog, right leg on back behind you. Exhale, step the foot through in between your hands. Bring your left knee down to the ground. Left hand plants, right fingertips reach up towards sky. Easy twist towards the right side. Place your right palm back down to ground. Tuck your back toes. Send your right foot back. Three-legged dog. Stack your right hip on top of left. Bend at the knee. We'll draw big circles with the knee. You can roll out the ankle, roll out the toes. Take any shakes or wiggles that feel good in your body. Switch directions of your circle if you haven't already. And place your right foot back down onto the ground. Left leg out and back behind you, three-legged dog. Exhale, step foot to the outside of your left hand, lizard lunge. Right knee stays off the ground. Hands plant underneath shoulders. And we'll draw big circles with the hips here. Switch directions of your circle. And bring your right knee down to the ground. Bend your right knee and grab for right foot with opposite hand. Getting a nice juicy quad stretch in here. If you'd like a bit of a deeper sensation, you can bring your foot a little bit closer towards the glutes. And gently let your right foot go. Left hand plants back underneath the shoulder. Tuck your back toes. And we'll sit the hips back any amount. Left toes spin up. Getting a nice stretch in our left hamstring. Inhale to crawl it back forwards. Exhale, sit the hips back any amount. Inhale to crawl forwards. Exhale, sit the hips back. Toes spin up. Take a big breath in, fill up. Exhale, release. Once more together, inhale, big breath in. Exhale out. Crawl your hands back forwards underneath shoulder. Tuck your back right toes. Send the left leg back behind you. Three-legged dog. Exhale, left foot meets the right. Downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg out and back behind you. Three-legged dog. Exhale, step right foot to the outside of your right hand. And keep your left knee hovering off the ground. We'll draw big circles with the hips again. Pretend like you're stirring cake batter with the hips. Switch directions of your circle. And bring your left knee down to the ground. Come onto the top part of your knee. Bend left knee. Reach with opposite hand for your back foot. Getting a nice stretch in our left quad. If you'd like to get a little deeper in this sensation, go ahead and pull your foot a little bit closer to the glutes here. Take a big breath in. Exhale, release. Gently place left foot back on ground, right palm underneath left shoulder. And we'll sit our hips back any amount, getting a nice stretch in our right hamstring, right toes spin up towards sky. Crawl the hands back forward, right knee bends. Exhale, sit the hips back. Once more, inhale to crawl it forwards. Exhale, sit the hips back, half splits. And a nice gentle stretch on the right hamstring, flex the front toes. Take a big breath, fill up. Exhale, release. Once more, big breath in. Exhale, release. Crawl hands forward, right knee bending, tuck your back left toes, send the right leg back. Three-legged dog. Shake it out, and right foot meets the left, downward facing dog. Knees down to the ground, knees wide or together. Ankles come together. Place your forehead down to ground. Arms reach up towards top of mat. Take a big breath in, fill up. Exhale, open mouth, sigh. Once more together like this. Big breath in, fill up. Exhale everything out. Crawl your hands back towards yourself. Press yourself up into a seated position. You can sit kneeling over the legs or crisscross the legs, whichever feels good in your body today. Feel your sit bones ground down towards the earth. Your shoulders stack tall over the hips. Crown reaches up. Find a long spine. Palms face down on your knees or thighs. Soft gaze down past tip of nose. Blur your vision. If it feels comfortable, close the eyes. We'll take 3 rounds of breath together to close out our practice. First, exhale all the air out of your mouth. Big breath in, fill up through the belly. Exhale, open mouth, sigh. Big breath in, fill up. Exhale everything out. Last one, biggest breath yet of your day. Exhale, release. Take a moment and check in with how you're feeling in your body now after some intentional breath and movement. Great work today. Thank you so much for sharing your time and energy with me. I'll see you in the next class.